Vice Governor, Mayor Balundong, Vice Mayor, councilors, barangay captains, department heads, participants of the Bongga Festival, isuon po mga taga-Sibonga, may hapon kaninyong tanan. I stand here today to tell you a story of how great Sibonga is. When I was a kid, mga 10 years ago, I was 16 years old by that time. Pinigil ko hapon sa kong lolo, Dong, mamista ta sa Sibonga, Dong. And every single time, mugalibad yun ko pa, laiyo man ko pa, arilang ko balay pa, tanawan ko TV pa. I've never realized nga no, wakit ko naka-understand why every year, hagdon yung sa kong papa mo ang hidiri. I've been here for 2 years straight, invitar ko ni Mayor Balundong. And daron na yun ko makasabot, nga no, kirinig yun ko hagdon sa kong lolo mo ang hidiri. It's because of your love and support to my grandfather, which I am feeling right now. And to reciprocate that love, with the help of Mayor Balundong, I know Mayor Balundong's priority projects. One of it is the Sibonga Sports Complex. With the help of Mayor Balundong, we will recommend to Papa Eddie to fund us 1 million pesos for the Sibonga Sports Complex. For the reclamation project, we will recommend to Papa Eddie additional funding of 500,000. For the Sibonga Community College, we will recommend to Papa Eddie an additional funding of 1 million. And for the Municipal Cemetery, we will request an additional funding for 500,000 pesos. But the truth of the matter is, there is no amount of projects, no amount of shaking hands, no amount of thank yous that can reciprocate or show how grateful my grandfather and I to all of you. So, in behalf of Papa Eddie, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you and happy Fiesta.
Okay, salamat. Samsam Julius. Okay, so dito na to. Mayroon na pailugang mga financial assistance this time.